Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to quickly, in under 5 minutes, walk you through on how to create a professional website without going through a line of code or any technical jargon. Come with me.
To build a beautiful, professional website using Hostinger's AI website builder. And you won't need to write a single line of code. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or complete beginner, this step-by-step guide will help you get your site online in just a few minutes. You'll find my Hostinger link in the description. It gives you a special discount and supports this channel at no extra cost. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open Hostinger dashboard. After signing into your Hostinger account, you'll land on the Hostinger Horizon dashboard. This is where you can manage your websites, domains, and email accounts. To start building your site, click on Create or Build a Website. Step 2. Describe your website.
You're the voice that calms the crowd. Forever steady, unshaken, hold. You hold the stars.
Here, simply describe what kind of website you want. For example, you can type a coffee shop homepage. Then, click Create Website. Hostinger's AI will now generate your entire website automatically. Step 3. Let AI build the site in just a few seconds. The AI creates your website structure, complete with a homepage, about section, and contact form. You'll see a ready-made layout with sample text and images that match your description. Pretty cool, right? Step 4. Customize the design. Now it's time to personalize your website. You can edit any text by simply clicking on it, change colors and fonts, or replace images with your own. Everything works through drag and drop, so there's absolutely no coding required. Step 5. Add or remove sections. You want to add a new section like testimonials or pricing? Just click Add Section, choose a layout you like, and it instantly appears on your page. You can rearrange sections simply by dragging them up or down. It's that easy. Step 6. Preview on desktop and mobile. Before publishing, click on Preview. To see how your website looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Hostinger automatically makes your design responsive, so it looks perfect on every screen size. Step 7. Publish your website. Once you're happy with your design, click Publish. Hostinger will make your website live instantly. You'll get a link that you can share with anyone. Step 8. View the live website. Open your new link in a browser and scroll through your live website. You now have a fully functional, professional site built in minutes, all powered by Hostinger's AI website builder. And that's it. You've just created your own website in under 5 minutes, without touching a single line of code. If you want to try Hostinger,
What you cannot do does not exist. Every word you speak is true. You have never failed me, and I'll always
AI website builder. Use my link in the description to get a special discount.